Okay, it's time for your Good to Know segment this morning. And according to the National Sleep Foundation, around 37 million Americans snore at night. Now, that may seem like a little thing to some of you, but research shows it definitely can ruin your partner's sleep, or worse, it could be a symptom of a serious health issue like sleep apnea. So this morning, we're sharing advice from Consumer Reports on how you or your partner can sleep more soundly. First, congestion. It's a typical cause of snoring, so try some over-the-counter nasal strips or maybe even a steamy shower before you go to bed. You can also elevate your head. Any wedge-shaped pillow will work. This keeps your tongue from blocking your airway. Also, sleeping on your side, that's another way to help prevent snoring. It's the best position to get some relief. Doctors say lying on your back is the most likely to trigger snoring. And then finally, losing weight to reduce snoring. Fatty tissue around the neck compresses your airway, and losing weight can help. Of course, if these strategies don't work, you should definitely see your doctor. That is your Good to Know segment. All right.